All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Wednesday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, as right now, the Bitcoin price is grinding down at support. And we're coming down to a very, very key area where, personally, I am going to be looking for some juicy long entries, and let's see if we get some volatility as New York is officially back from La Lonche, which is Spanish for lunch. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen here. Gotta give a major shout out to everybody right now in the chat. God bless you guys. As usual, if we can get 1,500 likes in the first 30 minutes, we'll be giving away $1,000. All right, major shout out to Blind Wanderer. Welcome Leonidas, Kryptonidas, shout out to Samuel S, shout out to Art Kativa, shout out to I Show You, shout out to Harshit Verma, the Pi Network Analysis. Everyone's talking about Pi Network. Shout out to Freedom Man, shout out to Felix H, close my ETH, short position and profit to protect my downside risk. I don't get it. Your ETH spot position, okay. Spot position. Shout out to HFG. God bless you. Shout out to Tomas Simone. Shout out to D Tropalicious. It's going down to 73. CME gap at 76. Shout out to Avi Yoshi. Shout out to Ruslan Denisov. I like when you long. Well, let's see if we can get into a little bit of a long today. Shout out to Bullish on Parade. Win 77K. We'll see what happens. Today is a Wednesday, so typically we get big moves on a Wednesday. We're just grinding down at this support, guys. It's very, very interesting. Shout out to Blockchain Cowboy. Shout out to Trey Spot. Shout out to Rich Tar. Shout out to Big Ways. Shout out to Fit Genius 618. We are waiting so much to smash this low. I know, and the longer we stay here, guys, I'll be honest, the less likely it actually is that we get a bounce. I hate to say it. This really is a line in the sand right here, guys. These lows, the low of the range, the box that we have on the chart. In fact, we're going to have to change this purple box to a different color here. All right, get rid of the background, get rid of the thickness. Skinny and white is how I like my boxes on the chart, and green and thin is how I like my lines here. It's too thick for me, for my taste. All right, no hate if you like them thick. But here we go, guys, as we're coming down to this key level here. And as usual, guys, right now, WEEX, link in the pinned comment description. Best deal on fees. All right, WEEX is the best deal on fees right now. And BLOFIN is offering the good old 10% cash back until the end of March now. 10% cash back, everything you deposit up to $1,000 future bonus. Also, guys, Antarctic Exchange is officially live right now. Antarctic Exchange, guys, the best deal on fees. If you sign up with the link in the description, you'll get 0% limit order fees, 0.015% taker order fees. Of course, this is only if you sign up using my link. Nobody else has this deal on Antarctic Exchange, the decentralized exchange. To end all decentralized exchanges, functioning like a centralized exchange where you yourself are owner of the exchange and the market maker. All right? So, let's see about this Bitcoin price action. All right? It is crazy what is happening right now as we grind down to this low. And this morning we did see something very, very interesting happen. So let's pop on over to TradingView and take a quick look. Here we go. Now, here's the thing. What is this? This is not right. This is right. Okay. This is correct. Now, look, guys. Here's the deal. Yesterday, we were looking at this when we were getting this first bounce, and we were saying if we reclaim 89.5, that would be bullish because we have tens of millions of shorts trapped here. And this is still the case, and as you can see, we rejected right from the POC of the range. We came down, we made a lower low, and so far, we're in bearish market structure. We came up, we made a lower high, and now we're trying to make a higher low. We're going to see what happens here. Now, look at this. $85,200 right now. This is going to be our key level. It's going to be our key level. We'll remove all this stuff from yesterday, guys, but here's what we really need to focus on. Make sure to smash up the likes. All right, make sure to smash up the likes. People are saying, how could you be bullish right now? Here's the deal. All right, I'm gonna give it to you straight. I'm gonna never give it to you gay. All right, look, if you are bearish at support, that's fine. Don't take a long trade. But for me, as a trader, I can only look for long trades at support. Why? Because this is a range, guys. This is a sideways range. It's irresponsible to look for shorts at the bottom of a range. Now, if you want to short, the time to short was a long time ago. For example, $106,000 set up, given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Currently still holding the short trade. When we got the CDW at around $98,000, $99,000, that was the time to take the short trade. All right, currently in that short trade as well. For me, the time to short has already come and gone, guys. All right, I'm already making tens of thousands of dollars shorting Bitcoin. So as we're coming down to support, it's dumb to look for shorts at support, right? We were supposed to be looking for shorts at the highs of the range, like up here or like right here. Now we're at the low. So we need to be looking for longs. Doesn't mean we're going to take them. And if you're bearish here, by all means, you do what you want to do. All right, I'm not here to tell you what to do. But as we are coming down to this level, we do need to be aware of the following things. Number one, this is very key level. And oftentimes, we do see Bitcoin get fake outs of these ranges, and they get to move back inside the range. I mean, go back to January 2024. I'll never forget, we took the lows of the range. It was very bearish. Even I myself was bearish for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We stayed below that level. Okay? And then we ended up getting a fake out. So we need to be paying attention here, because it's not something that like there's a potential that this could play out. Like, we'll see how the rest of the week goes. Okay? Even again, once again, look at this. We had the low right here of the range. This is back in May 2024. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, right? We're chilling around down here before we get the reversal and the fake out. Okay? So we're grinding down at support once again, and we're noticing a few things. Number one, the daily market Cipher B is very, very oversold. Negative 81. Negative 81. Last time we saw a wave of negative 81, guys, August 2023. The last time a momentum wave on the daily was this oversold was literally the exact low of the range in 2023 August. All right, we have not seen oversold like this since that time. Okay? Now we go to the 4-hour time frame. Look at this momentum wave here on the 4-hour time frame. Very oversold. When was the last time we saw this that oversold? Man, I mean, the last time it even came close was June 2024, as we were coming towards the bottom of this range. Okay? So we're at support. We're seeing bottom signals at support. Could we dump? Yes. But what we need to be looking for now is a fake out. What right now is the liquidity looking like to the downside? Well, we have this $85,000 level from the entire range that we have yet to take. It looks like we want to take it. It looks like we want to take it. Now, there's a few important things here. First of all, right now, if we're going to lose this level, we pull our Fibonacci from the low to the high. And you can see that we've got a golden pocket coming in right below that liquidity. Now, look at the 4-hour time frame. Right now, technically speaking, if we get a dip down and then we start to get a bounce from that level, we will have a bullish divergence, an uneven butt cheek pattern on the 4-hour time frame, where we have a very juicy left butt cheek followed by a very skinny right butt cheek. All right, look, check it out. Check the cheeks, baby. You got to check the cheek. Take a peek and we check the cheek. All right, that's what we could potentially have here on the 4-hour time frame. Now we go to our 1-hour time frame. And would you look at this, the money flow and the momentum waves are both getting higher as the price is getting lower. We go to our 24-minute time frame, and look at how the money flow is coming up here. And the momentum waves as well. We go to our 12-minute time frame. Same deal. Money flow getting higher over time, momentum waves getting higher over time. And so for these reasons, I am looking for longs if we come and take this level here. And look, could I get wrecked? Absolutely. But here's the good thing about this. if you're using good risk management and you understand that this is the make it or break it zone for Bitcoin right here, like literally this, if we don't bounce from here, then you expect much lower. You know exactly where you're wrong. You know where to get out and you know how much money to risk. This is either going to be one of the most epic long trades of the market cycle to a new all-time high in the next few months, all right? Or it's not, right? There's two possibilities here. Either this is the trade of the market cycle, the last big long, or it's not. If it's not, and you took a long here based on some bullish confirmations that you saw, okay, you take your loss, you move on to the next trade, right? If it is, and you don't long here because you're bearish and scared at support, and then we get the bounce, then you're gonna be like, what the heck? Why wasn't I interested in a long at support? Now again, am I ultra bullish right now? No, I'm not ultra bullish. I'm pretty neutral. I'm pretty neutral, to be honest with you, because I could see easily that we could get a bounce here, but I also understand that if we don't, then we're getting sucked down to our next level at the mid to low 70s. All right, it is what it is. If we do not hold this, then we are coming down to our next level at the mid to low 70s. And this is, as I call it, the mother of all longs, or as White Phoenix calls it, big long, no die. All right, these are the two potential areas for the rest of the market cycle, assuming the bull market continues, which I believe it's gonna, where we need to be looking for those trades. Okay, now we're losing 70K, then I'm gonna say, you know what? I guess bull market's over, guys. I guess the bull market's over, you know? But for now, I don't have that conviction. We have very, very oversold signs here. So far, we have not lost key support. We're starting to see some bull divs here. And so I do continue to look for the long trades. Now, what's freaking me out a little bit about this, guys, and I'm not going to lie, okay, is the fact that we front ran our liquidity by just a few bucks here on Bitget. Let's go to Coinbase and see how that happened. Did Coinbase even take that low? No, Coinbase didn't take it either. So the thing that does concern me a little bit is, honestly, a lot of times when you front run a level, it means you're gonna not get the bounce, right? If this morning when New York had opened, we come down and get the reversal, that's a much more bullish sign than coming down and just almost taking that level and then not, right? So this does give me a little bit of caution, especially on Bitget. When Bitget fronts run a level like this, usually not the best look, all right? Usually not the best look. And so we do need to be aware of that, all right? The next thing we need to be aware of is if we're gonna come below 85K, and if we're gonna hold down here for a while, especially if we're at this golden pocket, even if we're down here for a few days, don't consider a defeat yet, right? But don't look for a long, or don't long, well, here's how I would play this, right? Unless you're ninja scalping some of these exact levels, which I like to do, an easy way to approach this is if we lose $85,000 and we stay below, then you know, don't do anything. If we get the reclaim of 85, then you know exactly what to do. You put your stop loss below the low and you shoot back up for the top of the range for a beautiful risk-reward trade, right? We're talking a 6-to-1, almost 7-to-1 risk-reward trade. We don't have to rush. We don't have to catch a dang knife, all right? What we can do is we can wait for confirmation, which is coming back above this level. Even better confirmation would be to wait for some kind of sign of strength. So let's say we lose this level here, right? And then we get the move back up above, right? Instead of just longing as soon as we get the move above, wait until we change market structure on the 1-hour time frame where we take out these highs, and then you can look to get in on the inverted head and shoulders pattern, right? Then you can look to get into your trade somewhere like this, right? And even still, that's a beautiful risk to reward ratio trade. Just a nice swing trade from the low of the range to the top of the range. Potentially, we're looking for a breakout. We're looking for new all-time highs, right? So there's plenty of time to get into a long trade without catching a falling knife, right? The two main ways to do it is either one, you know, as long as we're below 85,000, you do nothing. And then as soon as we come above, you know right where to put your stop loss, wherever we wick to, right? The second way is you wait because, you know, so far we're still in bearish market structure, right? So you wait until the market structure changes, where for the first time now, we're seeing a higher high come in, taking out these highs, and then you look for a retest, and again, you look for the retest, and you know where your stop loss goes, below the low. You know where we're targeting a new high. You need to figure out your position size on this trade so that with a hypothetical right here, 5% stop loss, you know, you're only risking your 1 to 3% of your stack, right? You need to figure out your position size so you know exactly how much you're risking on the trade, right? The position size depends on the stop loss. If we only wick down to the 618, right? That means you only need a 3.24% stop, assuming we do something like this, right? And you say, okay, I see the bounce, I'm going to go for the trade. Then you only need a 3% stop loss. But if we dip lower, then you need a 5% stop loss. That will change the amount of money you put on the trade. Do you understand what I'm saying? Right? That's where a lot of people get screwed up. They don't understand how much to put on a trade. You need to put on however much is going to risk you. I like to say the 1% rule is best. But a lot of people do the 1 to 3% rule where every trade you take, you're never going to lose more than 3%. And with these risk-to-reward ratios, we're looking to make, you know, 4 to 5 times more than we're risking. So if you're risking your 1%, you're looking to make at least 5%. Or, you know, say you're shooting for 120K, potentially 8%, risking 1%. All right? So that's how I'm personally going to play this right now. And we are waiting for this move to the downside. We're waiting for the move to the downside. I don't think the low is in yet. Just the way it's looking here, I don't think the low is in yet. Let's take a look at the order flow. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We got some super chats in the house. And we got 2,300 people in the house. And guys, we have another 4 more minutes to get our likes up. If we can get the likes up, then we will be giving away 1,000 USDT, all right? Let's see here. Let's put on our timer. Timer goes off. We get 1,500 likes. We'll give away 1,000 USDT. All right. Shout out to Zima. Maybe we can do a collective prayer for Bitcoin. Shout out to Andre. ENA. What do I think today? You have a long. All right. Shout out to Valentino. Can you explain how to use leverage based on margin? Do I have videos on that? Oh man, we're taking a dump right now. Okay. We're taking a dump. So here's the deal. Leverage. Leverage literally doesn't matter as long as your idea and your stop loss will not allow you to get liquidated, okay? So if you're scalping, for example, let's say, just as an example, you're taking a long trade from 85 to 202. Like this is your exact level that you're looking to scalp. You have your plan right here. Like this is your trading plan. You're like, I'll give it 0.5%. I'll give it 0.5%. And if we dip lower than 0.5%, I'm out, right? What that means is if you have $1,000 in your account, you put $2,000 on the trade, right? Because it's a 0.5% stop loss. You have $1,000 in your account, you put $2,000 on your trade. Now, whether you're using 2x leverage or you're using 50x leverage, it doesn't matter as long as your stop loss goes here because you're putting $2,000 on the trade. All right? Now, if you need a bigger stop loss, let's say you need a 3% stop loss. Now, if you use 50x leverage, you will get liquidated before your stop loss gets hit, right? So leverage doesn't matter as long as your position size is correct and your stop loss will trigger before liquidation. All right, that's the way I use leverage. Most people who talk about leverage, in my opinion, aren't actually traders. They just like Google what leverage is and they tell you about it on YouTube. That's my honest belief. Because they say like the higher the leverage, the more risky. I mean, maybe if you're just gambling and throwing money at stuff, if you're just like throwing money into leverage trading like it's spot trading, then yeah, it's more risky. Right? But if you're actually coming with a plan, then it's like, okay, as long as my planned stop loss gets triggered before my liquidation price, it literally doesn't matter if I'm using 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x. But you need to make sure that your leverage is low enough for your idea to not get liquidated, right? Before your stop loss. And if that doesn't make sense to you, I am going to be doing a free trading course very soon. And we're going to be going over all this stuff, guys. Here we go. We're coming to the low. Oh my goodness, we just took the low. We just took the low again. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Okay. We're coming down to the $85,000 level. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're finally losing the level. Let's see what happens. Man, I got jitters up my bones. I got jitters in my spines right now, guys. We are losing the level, baby. Oh man, here we go. We're coming down. We're coming down. Here we go. Let's see. All right. I would expect that we don't just get a little wick like this. I expect we come down lower here, man. I expect we come down a little bit lower. But let's see. Let's see. Man, I don't know. I don't know. I was hoping for a little bit more catastrophic drop here. I was hoping for a little bit more of a catastrophic drop. I was hoping for a little bit more of a catastrophic drop. I don't necessarily like how we just got a little bit of a dip the tip. You know, we just got a little bit of a dip the tip. Let's check out the order flow here. We don't even have like a big decrease of OI on that. Let's see. We have a few liquidations. Man, I'm not a big fan of the dip the tip, but we definitely have some bull divs coming in. But I think we could dip the tip a little bit lower. Let's see if we get a little bit more catastrophe coming in, man. We need some catastrophe to come on in here. All right, did we get our likes? The timer just went off. Let's see. Crap, we didn't get the likes, guys, but here we are. It's getting catastrophic up in here, man. It's getting catastrophic up in here. Not all exchanges took that low yet. WEEX did take the low. Here we go. Look out below. Look out below. Yo, yo, yo. This is intense, man. Here we go. Here we go. We're right at the edge of the cliff, man. We are right at the edge of the cliff. All right, let's go down to our 1 minute time frame. I think we need a big breakdown from here, man. We need some breakdownage happening here. We need some real breakdownage. Let's go. Let's go. I feel like she needs to dump a lot. I could be wrong, but I feel like she needs to dump a lot, man. What do you guys think in the chat? Did I even take a poll in the chat? No, I didn't. Let's see. Does she need to dump a lot? We'll take the poll. Does she need to dump a lot? Yes or no? Oh my goodness, we're dipping down. We're dipping. It's a slow dip, but I feel like unless we get a really powerful candle coming up here, man, I feel like this is gonna go down a little bit more. All right. That's just my vibes right now. I've got dipped down vibes. Let's check out these longs. Man, look at this. We still have longs that longed the VWAP here, guys. We had 20 million longs longing this VWAP, and a lot of them are still open, man. Like about a quarter of them still open. We've still got some longs open. More longs to squeeze, baby. More longs to liquidate. So let's see. Let's see. Shout out to Camille, no stop loss. Yeah, seriously, no stop, I guess. Man, we're taking a dip. We are taking a dip right now. We've taken that liquidity now on MEXC. Man. I feel something brewing, man. I feel something brewing. Let's see what you guys say in the poll. Most of you guys say yes, we need to dip a lot. 40% say no. 40% say no. Engulfing candle on the weekly. This is make or break time for Bitcoin. Trump just had a live press conference saying he's going through with the tariffs. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, man. This could get bad, guys. This could get bad. All right, we're losing 85K. Let's see. This box. This is the box of hope. The box of hope and dreams. This is it. All right, man. This is it. This is literally make or break for Bitcoin. Let's move our box down a little bit more. All right, here we go. This is the make it or break it box for real, for real. All right, for real on Bitcoin right now. We are grinding down, okay? This is make or break it, guys. Honestly, within the next few days, by the weekend, we will know. Okay, because even in the event of a slow fake out where we're here for a few days chilling out, right? By the weekend, if we're not back above the level, not good, not good. All right, by the weekend, we will know. Could happen today, could happen quick. Let's see if we get some big capitulation down to some of these zones here, man. Down to some of these zones, all right? Let's see if we don't get some big capitulation. All right, we're starting to capitulate, baby. We're starting to capitulate. Capitulate. Man, okay. 84.5 on MEXC. 84.4 on MEXC. 84.3 on WEEX. Oh man, we're taking a dump. We're taking a dump. All right, let's see if we come down toward that golden pocket. All right, we are coming down to some very, very key supports here, guys. Now, we're going to zoom out a little bit here. Let me get back to trading view. All right, let's just take a look at this. Oh, man. Let's come on over and look at this, guys. All right. We're going to take our fib from the 4th of November to the high. All right. This is make it or break it. All right. We also do have the entire volume average weighted price. Let's see. Volume average weighted price from the low of this to our high. Literally, we're coming down towards it. All right. Oof. We tapped it. We're tapping it. We're tapping it right now. Oh my goodness. This is nuts, man. We're losing the level. Big longs liquidated right here. Longs absolutely liquidated as we're coming to this key support. Longs liquidated at key support. Let's see, 84,000. This is it. This is literally a make it or break it level for Bitcoin. Right here. Let's go to our 1 hour, our 4 hour time frame. Red dot in the 4 hour. Potential bull divs on the 1 hour. We've got ourselves potential bull divs on the 24. The 12-minute looks a little gross, but in general, we've got some bullish div here. And the 6-minute local money flow looks like absolute trash, man. I'm not gonna lie. Looks like trash. Man, we might actually just slide through here, man. Are we going to slide through? If I see a bounce from this golden pocket, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're tapping into it right now, man. This is make it or break it. Make it or break it. This is make it or break it right here. It's legit make or break. All right. I just opened up a little bit of a long here, baby. Just opened up a little bit of a long. Let's see. Let's see. This is make it or break it for Bitcoin here, guys. All right. This is make it or break it right here. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Make it or break it for Bitcoin, baby. Come on. It's now or never. I mean, really. It's now or never. We lose this, man, we're dumping all the way down. It's not looking the best. The 618's giving us a little bit of a bounce here. Come on, 618. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on, come on. We need follow through right now. We had a big longs liquidated at the golden pocket there. All right, lots of longs liquidated at the golden pocket right there. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Open interest from 1.4 billion all the way down to about 4 million. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's see if we can't let's see if we can't pump it up a little bit with the power of music, guys. All right. We're going to do our best here. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Just took along a Bitcoin. Hopefully my rap voice is not too annoying. Come down, support, we go boing. Next thing you know, we're looking like we're toying with the last hope support. Resistance, if we break out, don't you know we go the distance. Up $200 in the profit. Then we come right down and then we drop it. But I had to take the long from the GP. Next thing you know, the 0.65 heave with the next bid. Coming in with the squid in the ocean. When we're looking, don't trip, baby. Here we go, Jay Casper on the mic. Only on the treadmill and I'm never on the bike. Got the cardio going hard every single day. Coming down to the charts, we're trying to get paid. Hopefully we don't get wrecked here on the YouTube. Jay Casper, a trader or just a boob? We got a little bit of 1 hour candle. Bitcoin price, can we get a handle? Yeah, the beat makes me wanna dance like I got the fire ants chilling up in my pants, crawling up the butthole. Hurts so bad like whoa. When they're biting on the rectum, then it makes you go up to the price, to the nice slice. Got the Sprite, got the white, got the looking like it's tight over there with your man named Mike. Chilling out, get it on the mic, then you do it so right because here we go, just trying to take a knife catch long while we sit back and we sing this song. We got the hype coming in, the hype going down, the Bitcoin price spinning round and round. I'm such a clown. Then we're coming up in circles. Bitcoin price candles turning purple. Push 75K on the trade. Next thing you know, we're getting wrecked today. But you know we're up 16K plus 10K, 26K. Let me hear you say AJ Casper taking the shorts. Trading every day, you know that he's a good sport. Cause we're up 16K on the trade. Don't you know we got another long in play over here, over on MEXC. Let's get it in while we talk about our wife fees. Cause yeah, 11K plus another 5, 36K plus another 5, up 40K on the shorts. Hope you don't get bored, but we're coming back to the trust to do the sport of trading. Hopefully we ain't playing. Check it out, are the trades paying? Absolutely. Coming up $350 on the chart, now it's 360. Hopefully Can we get a bounce like a mouse taking a pounce? Looking like a cat on the couch, looking like a clown, looking like she wants to mount the beat, looking like a town with the found that wants to beat. Yeah, then we're coming back again, pumping up, baby, with all our really good friends. Got the knife cash long while we're singing the song. We're pumping up on the 1 minute, won't be long till we hit another all-time high Bitcoin. Hopefully my rap voice is not too annoying. Yeah. Here we go, here we go, yo, 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 here we go, oh! Now here we go, yeah. Alright. Nice, nice, not so bad. Not so bad. It's working a little bit, guys. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, come on now. Yeah, come on now. Yeah. Come on now. Jay Casper on the mic. I said, hey yo, come on now. It's Jay Casper on the mic, taking long straight from the bottom, and you know we do it right. Up $700, and it's not even the Sprite. Got the Coca-Cola like we're getting on the flight. Private jet. What will you do next? The Bitcoin price dumping like yo, what the heck? If we come back above 85,167, the Bitcoin price about to pump and go to heaven. Don't you know? Public enemy number one is the blue line. Now listen to me, son. This is called resistance. We get rejected or we break and go the distance. But let me tell you about a nice little fool. His name is Jason Casper. Back in high school, he tried to ask out a girl, she was a jewel. She gave him the hand and the face, then she ruled. She said, get out of here, Jason, I give you the rejection. From resistance and inverse erection, dumping down, I had to sit and have interflexion. Sit back, relax with introspection, cause we know we're coming to resistance. If we don't break out, we go the distance to the downside frown. From the smile turned around, Jason Casper on the treadmill, dude is such a clown. Oh my goodness, getting purple candles start to get rejection. Bitcoin price like inverse erection. Hopefully the candles stay turning blue and not purple. Bitcoin price will show you what she do like Steve Urkel. She likes to drink the slushy 7-Eleven and she slurps, yo. Got the gas in the belly and she has to burp, yo. Gas in the belly, then you spread it on the bread with the Smucker's grape jelly. Oh yeah, we got the peanut butter Smucker's jelly spread. Blue and purple candles got the bars up in my head. Hey yo, it's Jay Casper. Now listen to my flow and sit back and watch the Jason Casper Crypto Show. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell. The Bitcoin price we hope don't go to hell. Also, when you're at it, check out BLOFIN. 10% cash back, you could get it in. Click the link in the description, you know it's a prescription. Got the drugs, popping pills, you could fix them. $1,000 future bonus plus the prizes. Ain't no surprise, you could own this with the lies is. Coming back to the exchange weeks, link in the description. Check out the butt cheeks, talking about market Cipher. Don't you know, we get mad hyper. Better check it out, how's market Cipher looking today? Got bullish divs, or do we turn away? Get a little bounce, then we come out to play for the retest. Hopefully we don't take the trade to the way we lose it. Come and close it. Don't you know, Jason, make sure you're all included. We got slight bull divs, and then we get it in. We might come back down, then we get another spin to the upside. Yeah, this is make or break, guys. Alright? This is legit make or break right now. Okay? This is legit make or break. Legit make or break. Man, we got over 3,000 people in the house right now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We want the candles turning blue. Bitcoin price, what you gonna do? Sit back. Welcome to the school where we teach you how to trade. You know we ain't no fools. Coming out here, we do it every night. The Bears and the Bulls, they're in a fight. Looking like the competition is tight. Coming back here like we're doing it right. On the treadmill, don't you know we're getting paid? Taking longs, taking shorts, we're taking all the trades. I could close it out for about $400, but I won't. I'll hold it to the death, now let me hear you holler. Maybe we come back for a nice little low. Maybe crypto dips down and we take a little toe. Looking for the flip, support the 85K. The Bears, the Bulls will get hort, then we stork. like a nice little pig. Makes me so dang happy, about to do an Irish jig on the order flow. Let's check it out, what do you think? Yeah, we got the OI decrease like a kitchen sink, the garbage disposal. You gotta flip the switch. Bitcoin acting like an old nasty witch. Yeah, but next thing we take the switch from the low to the high, like we're digging the ditch. Coming back, coming up, coming right around like the coffee in the cup. Dumping back down, $300 now. Hopefully we get a nice little turnaround. Don't you know we're still in bearish market structure, no sign of strength. Bitcoin looks like she's gonna dump, what do you think? But the 618 give you a little bit of something. Hopefully the Bitcoin price starts pumping. 2 o'clock coming up, 10 minutes. Bitcoin needs some iron, better eat your spinach. Just kidding, it's not bioavailable. Better eat some beef, it is scalable. Get the ground beef, grass fed, put it in the pan. Don't you know the Bitcoin price pumps upon the land? Got the eggs, ground beef and butter. High cholesterol, but your strength is like no other. Cause you gotta keep it carnivore, keep it keto. Bitcoin price about to dump down below. Just kidding, don't you know I love the carbohydrates. Bitcoin price dumping so frustrating. Cause I just took a long, but we're dumping back down as we sing the crypto song. Oh my goodness, about to get wrecked. Bitcoin dumping like yo, what the heck? Put it back in check, listen to my neck. We're looking outside for a log or a spec just to check it. When we're looking for the naked chickens in the backyard, like they take it, did the dishes every single day. You know I love you too. Shout out to my wife, cause I appreciate you. I did the dishes like I do them every day, and then I'm coming back to the treadmill to get paid. Sign of strength looking weak. The Bitcoin price about to smack me in the cheek. Cause you know we're coming back to the order flow. Noticing my look at that, looking out below. Because here we go, got the nice TR. Reversal on the chart, then the price is going far. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe what is happening. Bitcoin price is tapping the level. Then we go all base, no trouble. Then we're looking like we want to get a nice another bevel. Got the bevel on the bevel frets with the guitar. We're playing Fender Stratocaster, don't you bet it. Got the Gibson, the Les Paul. Bitcoin price going to the mall. Hanging out in the store, hot topic. About to get a bounce, can you even spot it? We got a chunk of hair coming out the scissors. In the barbershop, don't you know you miss hers? Yeah, now we're negative 20. The Bitcoin dumping, it ain't even funny. Yeah, what happens if we come down to 81K before we turn around? Could we get a bounce? Will we be on the couch? Will I get wrecked? Looking like a dang mouse? Alright. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It's really not looking the best, but I had to go for it, alright? I just had to go for it. So here we go. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens here. What leverage is this anyway? 27x, she's 81.1 liquidation. Oh man, the 0.65 is literally at my liquidation. All right, well, 83. Let's give it a stop loss, man. We'll just have to be ready to flash close this baby. All right, but we're coming down to the area, so. This is the area, all right? No matter what, this is the area. But if I'm looking for a scalp like this, then we got to make sure that we are keeping our risk in check here. Let's see this real quick. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're risking like $1,000 on this one, man. We're risking 1,000. Nice little, small little risk here. It's not looking good, man. It's not looking good. But, you know, we get another little dip. I might have to FOMO into another little long here, man. It is what it is. This is make it or break it, baby. Make it or break it, baby. They're going to close the CME gap. You think so? Let's see. All right. Fiber Splice God is also risking 1K. You probably have a... Yeah, you're in 3K. What exchange is this? This is WEEX. Guys, this is WEEX. WEEX. Man, if this doesn't hold... I mean, look, it might hold. It's a zone. It's a little bit of a zone here. Let's go back to TradingView and see if we... Yeah, we tapped right into that 618 there. We tapped right into the 618. Make sure to like the stream, click the bell, all that good stuff, guys. Alright, make sure to like the stream, click the bell, all that good stuff. Now, look, if I start to see a real bounce, I'm going to add to this swing long trade that I've been in since 67K. Because if we bounce from this box, I'm going to be adding to this trade here to make my entry around 80,000. If not, I'm going to hold out, and then I'm looking to add at one of these key supports because I believe we're still going to be in that bull market, baby. So this trade here, I'm looking to close this thing in 6 figures. I'm looking to close this trade in 6 figures in profit. All right, so let's see. This is my swing trade right now, open from 67. And wherever I see this bounce from, I'm going to add, and we're going to close this trade with over $100,000 in profit, baby. Over 100K in profit, baby. All right? Let's see. It's not looking so great for this tap, okay? But this is the zone from which we got to tap, all right? This is the zone from which we got to tap. So, let's see. We're coming to the box. Don't risk 100K at a stop loss for 60K. I'm not risking 100K, bro. Don't worry. Man, you guys aren't traders, are you? Y'all ain't traders, is ya? You guys must be like hodlers or something. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. The one tap off the 618. You know, I wish we were getting a little more from this. It's not really looking the best, I'll be honest. Right now, in the moment. Things could change, guys, within the next few days, all right? Remember, what we really want to see here is the reclaim of 85 soon by daily close, and really we want to see the reclaim of 89. We reclaim 89. This whole thing was a fake out. Even if we stay down here for a few days, reclaim 89. That's a really good sign. 89, good sign. All right, reclaim 89, good sign. Lose, can't reclaim 85, bad sign, guys. All right. Here we go. Smash up the likes, guys. We got almost 4,000 people in the house right now. That's crazy. That is crazy. You think we need the pump song, bro? All right, let me see if I can figure out the pump song, all right? Let's see what we can do here. All right. I know I'm off camera, but let's see what happens here. We're flopping and groping. We're up $6, $12, $11, $5, $12, $18, $31, $12, 5 negative, $1, negative $18, negative $50, negative $55, negative $42, negative $18, $18, $46, 34 negative. Oh my goodness, dumping. Negative 88, negative 93, negative $100, negative 128, negative 143, negative 126, negative 117, negative 93, negative 111, negative 119, negative 69, negative 105, negative 110, negative 109, negative 111, negative 150, negative 173, negative 173, all eyes on me. Oh man, shout out to Alex O Crypto. Alex O Crypto. He says, JC, thanks for dropping by this morning. God bless you. Thanks for leading the way. Well, bro, Alex O Crypto, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for the super chat. Gotta give a major shout out to my man Tom Crown. Charts look ugly. We need the pump song. Guys, if you're not subscribed to Alex O Crypto and Tom Crown, please do yourself a favor. And you can see the price. Yeah, all right. Do we need a pump song? We'll give the pump song a shot. All right, we'll give the pump song a shot. All right. All right. Let's see if this works to pump the price. Okay. if we start to come down lower than negative 250, we're going to stop the pump song in its tracks, alright? We lose negative 250, we stop the pump song. If it starts to work, we're going to keep it going, alright? This is the pump song, guaranteed to pump the price. Sometimes it has delayed effect. We got to give a major shout out to Tom Crown for the super chat. Shout out to Camille Wahlberg. Alright? Shout out to Alex O Crypto. Here we go, baby. Pump song playing. Price is pumping, baby. Here we go. We just need to make a higher high, right? Get your plungers ready. Come on, baby. Let's pump! Alright, come on, Bitcoin. We lose negative 250. We're stopping the song. Yeah! Look at these low fees on WEEX. Mark it in only $15. Alright. Come on, this is our last effort to pump the Bitcoin price. Come on, baby. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, let's pump. Alright, here we go. It's working a little bit, guys. We're back in the green, if you know what I mean. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, alright. This is it. This is it. This is the make it or break it level for Bitcoin. If you're bullish, let me hear you scream, baby. Oh, I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it. You guys smell that smell? You know what that is? It's a plunger. I only used it twice. Tastes pretty good, baby. You know what? I don't think this is sensational enough. I think we need to get a little bit more sensational up in here, baby, for the Bitcoin price to really start to pump. Whoa! Oh my goodness, I woke up and I looked at... Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss! No, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pop! Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're pumping Bitcoin, baby! Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby! Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah, we're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pop! Yeah, we're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pop right now! Alright. You did it. Shout out to Tom Crown. Alright, I know not everyone likes the pump song, but you know what? Look, if you're not into, it's called Candlecore. If you're not into Candlecore, I understand. Alright? I understand if you're not into Candlecore. Alright, who else we got in chat right now? Shout out to buyers and sellers are fighting. Yeah, let's get back to the order flow here and see what's happening. We got a little bit of I wouldn't even call it bullish CBD, man. Look, I think we're gonna come a little bit lower, but we had tons of liquidations on that low. We got tons of liquidations on that. Let's see if we can't get a little bit of a push. Alright. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a push. It's looking pretty bad. It's looking pretty awful actually right now. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Jason, you fool. You fool. Jason, you fool. You fool? You know, we tried to get a little bit of bounce from the local golden pocket. Now we dump down lower. Can you spot it? Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. All right, let's get back to our trading view and see how market Cipher's looking here. All right, let's see how market Cipher's looking here. Shout out to Tom Crown. Shout out to Alex O. That's true. Divine Hood said less than 2 weeks ago he said this would happen. A lot of people said he was crazy. I've been talking about this too for a long time, and everyone said I was crazy. Where's Brett PG right now? Hey, Brett PG, I'm gonna call you out, bro. Hey, Brett PG, where you at, bro? Come over here, Brett PG. Come on, I'll call you out. Where's my man, Brett? Yo, Brett PG, man. Where you at, bro? Where's Brett PG? You know? The pump song worked for a little bit, yeah. Only fools longing. I guess I'm a fool then, honestly. But you know what? Look, I gotta do it. We're at support, alright? I gotta do it. We're at support. I gotta. Alright, I gotta be... If I don't look for a little long here, then... You know, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do, honestly? What am I gonna do? Oh man, now I'm talking like a Brit again. It happens every single time. I don't know why. It happens every single time and I don't know why. It's not looking good for this tap, guys. Look, I could have closed the trade in profit. The reason why I didn't is because you got to understand my situation here. I'm in 2 short trades right now. I'm up $27,000 of unrealized profit, plus another $15,000 of realized profit, right? So I'm up like 40K on the shorts. Okay, we're at key support. We're at key support. If I lose $1,000 for trying to catch a knife, okay, I'm up $40,000. I don't care. I'm paying a fee just in case we bounce from key support. You got to understand my mentality here. It's like insurance. Crap, my mouse just died. My mouse died, guys. My mouse just died. That means we're going to have to do this. Alright, someone says 75K incoming. Shout out to Light of Yeshua. Close the trades and take profits. We'll see what happens. Look, if we start to bounce from here, we'll see what happens, man. You know? But you guys know, if you follow the channel, you know how I deal with shorts. Alright, I take a small profit and I hold the dang trade. Why? In case of massive dump. I hold a massively large spot Bitcoin portfolio. Okay? So... at least I have something going up if my portfolio is going down, you know? If you want to pump, you should not allow Boyan to go on holidays. Every time we go, he dumps. That's true. Yeah, my mouse just got liquidated here. What the heck? Closed the trade and took losses. Yeah, the mouse got liquidated. Shout out to M. Grifasi. Shout out to M. Grifasi. Man, we got 3,700 people in the house. Guys, man, that's amazing. I've never seen this many people, I don't think. We've got almost 4,000 people in the house. That's crazy. Alright, look. Here's the deal. We have over 3,000 people in the house. Can we get 3,000 likes in 5 minutes? If we can get 3,000 likes in 5 minutes, we'll do a giveaway. We'll do a $500 giveaway. Alright? 3,000 likes in 5 minutes. I just set a timer here. Alright, on my iPhone, which is totally just cracked and gross, alright? Don't tell Sam Price. Don't tell Crypto Lifer that my phone's cracked, that I have a cheap laptop, that I use Apple headphones for my mic. Don't tell him, man. He's going to hate on me on Twitter, alright? Dude's got the $9,000 stream set up, alright? But, let's see. I got the timer set. All right. Shout out to Sam Price, by the way. If you're not subscribed to Crypto Lifer, go subscribe. All right. Jason Casper, when you add margin to a trade, does that make you more money from the point where you added the margin? Does it do anything for liquidation price? Adding margin will lower your liquidation price. It's not going to change your P&L or anything like that. Adding margin just means how much are you going to lose if you get liquidated. It makes your liquidation price lower if you're long. All right, here we go, baby. Shout out to Splashfire Films. That's true, Sam doesn't have a plunger. Well, we don't know. He might be a closet plunger holder. He might be a CPH. A CPH, right? You heard of a CPA. To help do your taxes. Well, there's the CPH, a closet plunger holder. All right. I mean, how else do you think dude's such a good analyst? You think he does that without a plunger? Sheesh, man. All right, here we go. All right, let's go, baby, let's go. I'm not gonna close the trades, let Yeshua look. Slow and steady wins the race. This is my trading psychology. As long as I'm making some money, that's all I care, man. That's all I really care. You gotta understand. This is my trading psychology. Slow and steady wins the race. All right, let's see. Come on, guys. We got 3 minutes. If half the people so far have liked the video, more than half the people, we got 3 minutes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Do I use cross or isolated? I always use isolated. I always use isolated. All right, let's check out order flow again. What's happening now? Not too much, to be honest. Tons of shorts, though. Lots of short liquidity. Longs are pretty much out of the game. Everyone who's longed is out. You know? Let's see if my mouse has any juice. Yes! We're back in action, baby. We got the mouse juice. We got the mouse juice. Shout out to the mouse and shout out to the mouse juice. I love me some mouse juice. Put a 1 in the chat if you enjoy mouse juice as much as I enjoy mouse juice. Here we go, baby. We reclaim this level. And it's Pump City, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby. What's up with ETH? Not sure. Why is this key support? Why is this key support? Man, it's a golden pocket. It's the bottom of a macro range. It's the volume weighted average price of the entire since 49K. All right, this is it. This is it for Bitcoin right now. All right, this is the make it or break it, man. This is the make it or break it. Make it or break it. Mi madre. Mi madre. Mi madre. Madre, por favor, mi madre. Por favor. Yo hablo mucho español, mi madre. Por favor. Me encanta la gasolina, madre. Me encanta la gasolina. Sorry, guys. You know that when I get excited, I start to scream in Spanish. Just like Ricky Ricardo. Alright? When I get excited, I start to scream in Espanol. Oh, man. Alright, did we get the likes? Let's see. No, we didn't get the likes. We didn't get them yet. All right. Man, come on, Bitcoin. Is she going to make a higher high or is she going to roll over? Let's take another poll. Let's take another poll. Roll over or higher high? All right, roll over or higher high. Let's hope we make a higher high. Let's hope we blast through here, guys. Let's hope we blast through. All right. By the way, guys, if you want to trade on WEEX, best deal on fees, but also if you want to trade on Antarctic Exchange, literally a decentralized exchange, you hold all your assets onto Antarctic, completely decentralized, and just by trading on the exchange, you get to share in the liquidation fees, you get to share in the profits of the exchange. It's an exchange made by traders for traders. All right. Check it out. Link in the description for Antarctic. It's a brand new DEX. It's going to be huge, guys. It's going to change everything. Self-custody of all assets is going to be absolutely huge. All right, it's going to be massive. All right. Oh man, we're failing to make a higher high here, guys. We're failing to make a higher high. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. You can do it. Do a pump song. We already did do a pump song. Where to take profit? Well, if you are really looking for a scalp, then take profit at 85.2. All right, but if you're looking for a little bit more than a scalp, then you know, you could hold this thing a little bit longer. Also, the best thing about Antarctic, guys, is everything's fully customizable, and it comes blue and purple, right? Even the buy and sell buttons are blue and purple. As you can see, everything about the exchange is blue and purple. You know, so make sure to check it out. Blue and purple, baby. We got the blue and purple. These fees are unbeatable, by the way. These fees are unbeatable. Here we go, baby. Now we're pumping. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Now we're pumping, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Now we're pumping. Come on, baby. Now we can do the pump song. But wait a second. You know, as soon as we start the pump song, we're going to get a bear div and just swing failure pattern this high. We're going to swing failure pattern this high and then dump. Watch. Watch this. Look, if you're in the scalp, guys, on all seriousness, if you care about money, now's your chance. If you're like me, and you're looking at this as, you know, a scalp, but looking to take it a little higher, and you hate money like me, you know, this ain't no financial advice, baby. This ain't no financial advice, but let's go. Let's check out Market Cipher while we're here. Let's go to the low time frame Market Cipher. Let's go to the low time frame Market Cipher. Fake pump, 75K incoming. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. How's Market Cipher looking here? 12-minute bull div, Bitboy butt cheeks, money flow higher. Let's check out the 1 hour. You know, look, do I think this is the low? Honestly, no. I don't think this is the low. I think this is a scalp. I think we might get another little dip down into the golden pocket, to be honest with you. But if we confirm a 1 hour green dot, that is going to be a nice look. And that could eventually roll over into the 4 hour, which could be a very nice look. Let's go to the 48-minute time frame. We confirm a 48-minute time frame green dot. That could be a very, very nice look. All right, a very nice look. Or as we say in Espanol, los ojos de Luke. Bien, muy bien. All right. People, don't hate on my Spanish, all right? Y'all be hating on my Espanol. Just so you guys know, all right? And I want to make this very clear. Like, I'm being sensational here on the internet. If you don't know what you're doing, please don't follow what I'm doing, okay? Just because we're at massive support with some bull divs, this is definitely not a sign of strength, all right? Let's just put it that way. We have gotten literally a 2% move to the upside, and look, this is a massive downtrend, right? So please remember, this is entertainment only. This literally is entertainment. I literally am an entertainer. the genre of this channel is called entertainment, guys, okay? Just want to make sure we're clear on that. Open interest is shot. All right? We got to come above 85.2 for this to amount to anything worth it, guys. We got to come above 85.2 for this to amount to anything worth it. All right, 85.2. Let's go ahead and put the key level on our chart here. We at least need to come above 85.2. So far, no cigar. If we reach 93K during the stream, I will smoke a cigar right here in the office. That's how confident I am that we're probably not going to do it. Because I'm not going to smoke a cigar in my office, guys. Man, that would ruin the smell in my office for the rest of my life. If we actually hit 93K in the stream, I will take the computer outside and smoke a cigar. How about that? All it takes is Trump to say the word crypto and we pump to the moon. Yeah, perhaps, right? Perhaps. Let's see what's happening here. Longs closed, shorts closed. We got no volume, nothing. This is a really weak move, to be honest with you. It's a really weak move. I'm not gonna lie, it's a weak move. Alright, let's see. Let's see, did we take that high? No, we didn't even take the high. We just made like a double top. Let's see what's gonna happen here. It's looking pretty crappy, man. It's looking pretty crappy, to be honest. Crap, why do I always go full on Brit mode? Alright, who we got in the chat? Oh, man, we're dumping the game. Oh, we're dumping the game. Alright, let's go back. Yeah. Alright, we're dumping the game. Let's see who we got in chat. Shout out to Owen53. You should be doing curls with one arm and trading with the other. Bro, I don't know if I have it in me to do curls right now. I mean, biceps are kind of shot. You know, I was doing curls yesterday. I love doing curls in the squat rack, especially. Shout out to Owen53. The fact that we didn't nuke down is also something that is interesting, FitGenius618. I feel like maybe when Asia opens, we take the low again. Like, maybe the daily low is in for right now. But, just the fact that we tap that 618 to the dollar makes me think eventually we do come back lower. You'll notice this. If you tap the 618 to the dollar, a lot of times you get a bounce from it. But then you come back later to take that low again, right? That's typically how it happens, all right? But look, we're in this long trade. Let's not forget, guys. All right, we're also in the short trade from 106K. Up right now, 25,000. Set up given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord at jccaspertrading.com. The best trading community in the world, where myself and multiple instructors are every single day, walking you through the live trades and price action. All right? Ain't no joke. Name me another community that has, for the price, better value. And I'll give you a free month. All right? If there's another community out there that offers more value for the same price or cheaper, let me know. I'll give you a free month. All right? We got 3 instructors doing live trading multiple times a day for multiple assets, for multiple markets, for $65 a month. You got Discords out there charging $300, $400, $500 a month. And they give you like a chart every day. That's it. Just give you a chart every day. Basically try and resell ICT methods to you. No hate if that's what you do, man. BitBoy. Trader's Reality. Ooh, you might have got me there. You might have got me there on Trader's Reality. But Crypto Lifer, definitely not, man. He charges $100 a month. All right? He charges $100 a month. But how much does Tino charge? How much does Tino charge? Because you're right. Trader's Reality. How much does Tino charge? Andy Bitcoin Census, how much does he charge? That's a good question. Dang, I shouldn't have said that. I'm going to be giving away 3 months over here. Let's see. How much does Andy from Bitcoin Census charge? We're coming down. We're coming down, baby. It's $100 a month, Andy. Andy charged $100 a month. Right? Oh wait, no, that's for WEEX. Hang on. I'm on his website now. Can't find out. Can't find his thing. Well, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Trades Reality. No, he charges $99 a month. Andy from Bitcoin Census is $97 a month. All right, all right. 3 coaches, daily analysis and setups. All right, we got 3 coaches, daily analysis and setups. 65 a month. 65. We got the 65, baby. Try and undercut the competition. Does VIP come with trading tutorials? It comes with a beginner's course. All right, let's check out the order flow, man. This is some boring and scary price action, to be honest. Scary because, well, it doesn't look like we're actually going to get that nice bounce from here. It really doesn't look like it. Looks like we're going to take the low again. At least we got a little bit of support here, guys. At least we've got a little bit of support. Shout out to Sam Price in the chat. Shout out to Crypto Lifer. Do you give the Cato call? I don't know what it is, bro. I don't get the reference, but maybe I don't watch enough of your videos. But no, we don't give that call. Shout out to Boyan. Boyan, one of our instructors. Shout out to Preparing for War. Is Alex O the best value? I'll have to check it out. I gotta be careful what I say here on the internet. Alex O, man. What's your community like? Crypto Crank says she's headed up. Hope so, man. Hope so. Hope so. Let's see. Oh, snap. 4 coaches and 30 bucks. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to talk to you, Alexo. I'm gonna have to check out your community, bro. I'm gonna have to see. I'm gonna have to check it out for myself. I'm gonna sign up right now. I'm gonna have to sign up. Shout out to our super chat. He says, full port the Adam and Eve. Shout out to Sam Price. He says, Jason, you're a great guy. You're making me smile and be happy. This is great. Shout out to you, bro. I'm gonna be in your area again next month, and this time I definitely want to see if we can meet up. I'm dead set on it, bro. So God bless you, man. Thank you so much for the super chats. I really appreciate it. And guys, look, if you're not subscribed to the crypto trading masters in the dang YouTube chat, we got Sam Price, Crypto Lifer, we got Tom Crown, and we got Alex O. Make sure to go subscribe to them all, guys. All right, go subscribe to them all. You will not regret. You will not regret. That's true. We got Divine Hood up in there too. Man, this is some weird, boring price action, man. You know, I was hoping for some crazy volatility. I'm holding out for either a massive pump or a massive dump. Come on, Bitcoin. Seriously, what the heck? I'm holding out for either a massive pump or a massive dump. You know, this is a bear flag. You know, an average person would call this a bear flag. Sam Price says we have an Adam and Eve pattern, but what time frame are you looking at? Are you looking at the low time frame right here? Looking at this thing? Is that what you're looking at? Or are you looking at something bigger? Crypto Lifer, he says he's sweating bullets. Bro, I'm sweating bullets too right now. Literally. I'm sweating. Look at this hair. Look at this hat hair. You know, I think we need to change our look. Hang on. We need to change our look right now if we really want the price to pump. I think it's working, guys. We changed our look for the price to pump. What did it say? Oh, the 1 minute Adam and Eve. One more sweet down. Yeah, we might get that. All right, the 1 minute. All right, the 1 minute. We got the 1 minute Adam and Eve, baby. We got the new look. All right, we got the glasses going. All right. We got Sam Price. We got Alex O. We got Tom Crown. We got Divine Hood. We got Boyan. Sweating Bullets reminds me of Megadeth. Man, if I really wanted to wreck my stream, I'd play some Megadeth. If I really want to wreck my stream, I'd play some copyright music. You want to see the tattoo? Here. There you go. How's it look? Does it look good? Crap, the look isn't working. Yeah, we probably do get another sweep of the low there. And if we do, I'm looking to get back in, guys. I'm looking to get back in for sure. For sure, for sure. Alright. Let's see. The reason why I'm looking for longs here, guys, is because this is literally make it or break it support. So if I don't try and get in long here, I'll regret it if we pump, and if I get wrecked, I won't regret it if we don't. You know, I just won't. You know, I've got my shorts open. I made my money. Come on, Bitcoin. All right. Maybe we got to try something a little different here too. Hola, mis amigos. Me llamo es el punto rojo. Sí, señor. Sí, señor. We have to give a major shout out to Rude Crush Argawal. What should be expected target for an ETH short trade? I mean, did we hit 2,000? You know what? I haven't even looked at ETH all day because I've been so fixated on Bitcoin. So let's check it out, all right? Let's check it on out. I mean, did we fill the wick? Wow, we didn't fill the wick. A target for an ETH short trade? I mean, I would definitely be taking some profits around this area because we're coming into a major fib zone. Let's check it out. All right, let's check it out. We're coming to a major fib zone here. Between the golden pocket and the 786. All right, I would definitely take some profits here, but we might recover that whole wick. If ETH starts to lose 2,000, that is not a good look, man. That is really not a good look. This is the bull market trend line here. Would not be a good look if ETH makes another, takes the wick. I'd say this, like, if the final target for me on an ETH short would be, look at this. We have 3 wicks here, so there's liquidity at $2,000. So I say $2,000 for a. If Bitcoin's going to come down to the 70s, maybe ETH gets a slow grind down to here, and that's where we get in. All right, but what do you guys think? Should I close the long right now? Should I close this long? I'm going to take a poll. All right, should I close this long right now? Let's take a poll. All right, should I close the long? Looks like most of you guys say she needs to dump a lot, so that means probably most of you guys are going to say I should close the long. So let's see. Start a poll. Should I close the long? Should I close the long? %57% say yes. Oh man. I took a poll, I asked the chat, should I close the long? Sit back and listen to my nice crypto rap song. Jay Casper, we're traded in the house, and we're looking over here for the nice Bitcoin bounce. And oh snap, baby, let me take a peek to see if Market Cipher B has any uneven butt cheeks. We want big on the left, nice and juicy, skinny on the right, just around the booty, popping over here to Market Cipher B. Over on Trading View, what we see, gotta zoom in on the TV. Do we got the blue candles coming in on flicker? No, we got the purples dumping down. I was smiling, but now you know I got a frown as we're driving in our Jeep all around the town. Jason Casper on the internet, what a clown, coming over to the order flow. Look out below, hit the 5-minute time frame. What do you know? We got the OI coming down to the bottom. Bitcoin trades closing, can you spot them? But we got a few longs opening up like the cup. Got the coffee looking like she wants to fud with the snuff. Yeah, coming back around to the top. VWAP, once we hit the spot, then you know we drop. Then we blast to resistance, we get past. Hopefully we're not in the car and crash, cause you know we break out and then we go the distance. Turn the key, push the gas, fire all pistons. Ethereum getting a little bit of a move. I thought this was Bitcoin, I'm not that smooth. Here we go back to the Bitcoin chart. The purple candle coming down, don't you know we start the part? Got the gas in my intestines. Bitcoin price doesn't do the best in. Don't you know I'm hanging out with my friend Justin? He's my good friend, says we get the best in. But we got in a fight like the Bears and the Bulls, chilling up in the boat, in the front, in the hole. Next thing you know, we gotta give a pull so we can get outside of the hole that we're in. Trading in the red, our trades are ending up in dead. Don't you know we never wanna get it in our head? But you know we got the juicy bars up here instead. Jason Casper coming out, you know I never tread in the water when I swim. Get it in when we're looking like we're doing bicep curls in the gym. Got the red out on market, Cipher coming down. Hopefully the Bitcoin price starts to turn around. Getting back to our good exchange, WEEX. I asked the poll, should I close the trade on Fleet? They said, Jason, close it, but I kept it open. Dude is such an idiot, dude must be joking. What's the name of this bitch? Dumperoni. Paul Pioneer, woohoo pumper bloney. Don't you know I love to eat the trim bologna? I put it on the sandwich, I ain't staying homie, yeah. My homie's always out, we be eating the pizza. Bitcoin price, so nice to meet ya. I wanna introduce you to 6 Juanita. Shout out to the super chat, I see ya. Gotta give a major shout to 6 Juanita with the super chat, trading psychology and beat ya in your community. Do you talk about trading psychology? Of course we do. It's all about the risk management if you ask me. That's how you get the trading psychology. Because if you're not risking too much, you won't be scared when the Bitcoin price starts to dump. But you stick to the plan like you're the man. Driving from the East Coast, from the sand to sand, in the beach when you're eating the peach. Hopefully you don't swim in the water, get a leech, stuff the blood. We got the Bitget FUD causing the crash. Technicals are trash, then we look at the fundamentals as we're looking to get mental. The Bitcoin price, you know she always spent, yo. Cause she spent, cause you know we're getting faded. The Bitcoin price is so frustrating. Yeah, hopefully we don't change it when we're taking all the profits and we're looking like we blame it on the other people in the market. Never my fault. The market screwed me over like the pepper and the salt. Eating the salmon, avocado and the eggs. Bitcoin price looking like you want to beg. I'm begging you please, Bitcoin pump. Got the mustache, we're starting to dump. We gotta bounce right from the 6 Juanita, but then we roll around like baby, nice to meet you. When we're eating all the pizza, don't you know I wanna meet you? When we're looking like we treat you, trick or treat, and then your feet, getting blisters on the treadmill when we walking fast. Hopefully the Bitcoin price starts to blast. Negative 28 in the red, the Bitcoin price will end up so dead. When I'm looking at the chart, the bars in my head, 31, 39, here we go instead, now pump it up. We talk about psychology, but more so we just focus on the risk management aspect of it. Because in my opinion, trading psychology is really just about risk management. That's my opinion, you know? Because if you're struggling with the psychology, it means you're not sticking to the process. In my opinion. What do I know? You know, I mean, look at me, just a guy on the internet here. But shout out to 6 Juanita. Shout out to 6 Juanita. Hey girl, it's so nice to meet ya. About to ask you out for pizza. Hopefully you say yes so I can treat ya. I said, hey, shouts to 6 Juanita. Hey girl, it's so nice to meet ya. Don't you know I wanna take you out for pizza? Let me take you out, girl, you know I could treat ya. I'll take you back, tell a story. Hopefully my rap song is not so boring, like the price action that we got on the chart. The blue and purple candles like a nice work of art. I'll take you back 2005, staying alive, feeling the jive. Don't you know we do it right when we're looking to go live on the YouTube? Jason Casper ain't no boob. I'll take you back to when I was in high school. There was a girl, 6 Juanita was her name. She was so popular, cheerleading was her game. The first time I saw her, my heart was struck. I thought, man, I gotta get her. But then I tried to make her mine. I said, girl, you're looking fine. I could take you out to Olive Garden, we could get some wine. But when I asked her on a date, she just gave me the hand, she just gave me the face. She said, hey, Jay, get in your place. I'm out of your league, now go run a race. It broke my heart, I had to fart. I farted in her face, the smell made her pass out. She walked in place, and then I got rejected right from the place. Then I had to introspect myself and take a trace. But don't you know, when we come to the level, treadmill stop, Bitcoin bass and no treble. Then we're coming up and you know I gotta yell, so loud, and then we ring the bell. How come my treadmill won't go really fast? The Bitcoin price about to pump into the grass. So 6 Juanita broke my heart. She said, Jason Casper, you are such a nice retard. Then she sent me away, I had to go play by myself. Jason Casper on the computer screen, just taking trades all alone. Then I went back home, coming with the bars, straight up off the dome. 6 Juanita rejected me, it hurt so bad. The worst rejection that I ever had. So I became an incel. No girls for me, man, yo, ring the bell. So she know I never had a girlfriend in my life. So I come to the charts, and then I try to fight, Don't got time for the females. Bitcoin price coming out, you know we take the garbage pails. We put the candle straight in. Eating all the breakfast, eating all the din, eating all the lunch. Don't you know we got the sandwich? Bitcoin, peanut butter, turkey, you can plan this. Get out the cheese, the mustard and the mayo, baby, please. Next thing you know, we about to see a short squeeze. Yeah, we'll take a look at the order flow. Coming down, open interest flat, don't you know? We had about negative 33 mil on the delta, keeping it real. Yeah, then we come to the CBD, 418, 451, nah, I mean 453 mil, now we're home from the car wash. Jason Casper spitting off the dome, oh yeah. And now we're pumping back up, $78 in the cup. Negative 15, realized Bitcoin price ain't no surprise, yeah. Okay. All right, man. This is lame. Honestly, this price action is so dang lame. Shout out to 6 Juanita for the super chat. All right. Shout out to 6 Juanita for the super chat. I appreciate you. And shout out to, is that Crypto Surfer? What happened to Crypto Pollo? Is Crypto Pollo still around these parts? Alright, well, I'm trying to decide, like, what to do here. Alright, I'm trying to decide what to do here. Most of you guys say I should close the long. It's honestly about 50-50. I think I'm just going to leave it open, to be honest. Jason, you about to leave it open? Are you joking? Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to Fit Genius. We have some local bearish CBD. Yeah, let's check out the local bearish CBD. Ooh, you're right, man. It's like on a very, very low OI. It's just the most local stuff in the world, though. Yeah, we got some longs trying to come in here. Yeah, look at this. Fit Genius 618. We go to the TR chart. We've got ourselves some bearish CBD forming here. Lower highs on the price. Higher highs on the CBD. That is crazy, Big Butts 28. Shout out to Big Butts 28, by the way. Shout out to Big Butts 28, by the way. Man. All right, looks like we're gonna take this L here, guys. Look, it was worth a shot. Title of the video is looking for entries. All right, we're looking for entries. You know, I gotta stay true to my word here. But tomorrow, if I'm long, don't be surprised. All right, if I'm in another long, don't be surprised, guys. Don't be surprised, guys. If I'm in another long, it ain't no surprise. All right, because it's now or never. It's now or never. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. God bless everybody in Jesus' name. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love all of you. I really do. May the Lord bless all of you. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.